In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email accounts with Siteground. This process is straightforward and very user-friendly, perfect for those who are managing their own websites and need to set up professional email addresses. So, let's dive right in and get started with step-by-step guidance. First, let's head over to the Siteground website. You'll want to open your browser and type in world.siteground.com. This will take you to Siteground's homepage, where you'll be able to access all the tools you need as a Siteground user. Once you're on the Siteground homepage, look for the login button. It will typically be at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here will prompt you for your login credentials, so make sure you have your username or email and password handy. Remember, keeping your login information secure is crucial to protecting your website's data. After successfully logging in, navigate to My Siteground account. This area is essentially your dashboard, your central hub for managing all things related to your hosting with Siteground. From here, you should be able to see a variety of options tailored to your hosting services. Next up, you'll want to click on Websites. You'll usually find this option in the main navigation menu. Clicking Websites allows you to select the specific site you're working on, especially if you're managing more than one. Now, for each of your sites, you'll have a Site Tools option, which is your go-to for managing site-specific settings and tools. So go ahead and click on Site Tools. Think of Site Tools as your site's own toolbox, filled with everything you need from security protocols to performance optimizations. In the Site Tools menu, click on Email. This category is where you'll manage all aspects related to email communication for your site, whether it's creating new accounts, setting up email filters, or handling forwarders. Once you're in the Email section, look for Accounts. The Accounts page will display all current email accounts associated with your site. This is your control center for adding new email addresses or managing existing ones. Finally, it's time to create a new email account. In the Accounts section, you'll see an option to create a new email address. Click on that, and you can choose the name for your new email address. Make it something that aligns with what you want the recipient to recognize. Once you've chosen a name and set a strong password, hit Create to finalize your new professional email account. By following these steps, you've successfully created a new email account through Siteground. This tool is invaluable whether you're running a personal blog or managing emails for a small business. Remember, having a custom email helps establish credibility and trust with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.